Just a few days back, FBI placed Ruja Ignatova, a Bulgarian national and the infamous missing crypto queen, on its top 10 most wanted list. She is only the 11th woman to be included in FBI's 10 most wanted fugitive list in 72 years of the history of the agency. FBI believes this might help in her arrest and create awareness among the general public regarding her role in scamming people of their hard-earned money via her cryptocurrency company named OneCoin. She has been accused of defrauding victims of more than $4 billion. Today, we take a look at the scam she is accused of via her shady cryptocurrency company OneCoin, which she touted to be a rival of Bitcoin. But before that, do like, share and subscribe our portal. OneCoin emerged on the cryptocurrency spectrum in late 2014 and was immediately projected as the Bitcoin killer. The company operated worldwide and had over 3 million investors from around 100 countries. She reportedly promised her investors of huge returns and even offered her buyers a commission for selling it to more people so as to lure more into a shady cryptocurrency. The fraudulent cryptocurrency was a centralized currency maintained on OneCoin Limited's computer rather than a decentralized coin. OneCoin claimed that its primary line of business was the exchange of educational materials. She also claimed that servers for OneCoin were at 2 locations in Bulgaria and at 1 location in Hong Kong. The only way to exchange OneCoin for any other currency was the OneCoin exchange, XCoinX, an internal marketplace for members who had invested more than just a starter package in it. OneCoins could be exchanged for euros, which were then placed in a virtual wallet from which they could be requested for wire transfers. A lot of people across the globe began investing in it, thinking they will benefit after Bitcoin's era come to an end. However, OneCoin abruptly announced in March 2016 that the market would be halted for 2 weeks for maintenance, citing a large number of miners and the need for improved interaction with blockchain. It reopened on March 15, 2016 without any evident modifications. Finally, in January 2017, the exchange was abruptly closed down and the issue came to the knowledge of regulators worldwide. According to investigators, this cryptocurrency was basically a Ponzi scheme from the beginning, and the only purpose of Ruja Ignatova was to fleece people through a false and misleading statements. One thing that investigators also claim is that, unlike other cryptos, OneCoin was not mined at all, and that the value was decided by Ignatova and her associates. She vanished into thin air in 2017 when financial regulators around the globe began looking for her, and she has not been seen since. She has been charged with wire fraud, conspiracy to commit money laundering, and securities fraud by US government. FBI has announced a $100,000 reward for any information that could lead to her arrest. This was all about Ruja Ignatova, a self-styled crypto queen who is on the run. We hope that you liked this new video. Do like, share and subscribe for more such relevant information. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.